resistance near 11,960 and it is not able to break above in the weekly charts. So in case, so as we can see from here, so Dow Jones has formed a perfect double top and this here is your. Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in this video, we're going to talk about the US election, which is going to come the next week. So many of our subscribers have requested me to talk about it and what is my view about the election. So before I give my projection, so we can just take the history and look at the the election move in the market. So as we can see from Nifty, almost in every election time during a week period, the market was moving around 3 to 5%. So normally Nifty moves around 3 to 5% and during the US election weeks. So we can expect the same thing again. But during 2008, what happened is it was a depression which was going on during the financial crisis because of Lehman Brothers. And it had a huge impact in the markets and Nifty fell around 20 to 25% during that election period of time. And we can see the same amount of scenario now where we are just going through a pandemic and as well as we have the new SEBI rules, which is not so good for a retail trader because what happens is it puts a constraint on the trader because of the margin. So the the funds are getting pulled out. And so we can expect a downfall in this coming market election. So my thing is, as a technical analyst, my suggestion is we always try to see the charts because it tells us a better picture of what is going to happen. So let us see the chart of Dow Jones, what is going to happen, and that will give us a better picture of what is going to happen in the coming weeks. All right, so yeah guys. So from this Dow Jones Industrial Average, we can see that this is a weekly chart. Now Dow Jones has perfectly formed a double top. So as we can see from here, so Dow Jones has formed a perfect double top and this here is your neckline. So by chance, if Dow Jones closes below the neckline, so if Dow Jones closes below around 26,500, we can expect a huge downfall and the target for that will be so we can expect the market to come up to 23,800, almost, around 24,000. So if this comes, so almost it will be like around 10%. So in case if the market breaks the double tops neckline and if the market starts to move down, we can expect a 10% movement in the current election time. Maybe in a few days, maybe like 5 or 10 days, in 2 weeks of time, we can expect the market to come down 10% if the market closes below the neckline, that is 26,500. So in case if this market goes down, we can expect Nifty. So Nifty is just traveling around 11,670 and the market is not able to break above the 11,960. If you are following my videos for a long time, we would have said about that magical number around 11,960 where we said that one day if the market breaks and closes above 11,960, we can expect a new movement in the Nifty and still the market is now taking a resistance near 11,960 and it is not able to break above in the weekly charts. So in case if Dow Jones falls around 10%, we can expect a huge fall in Nifty. So at this time, my suggestion to all my subscribers is don't try to trade in futures and in shares. Try to trade in options. So even in the last videos, I told you about options. This is the best time to invest in options market. So now we can go for options because of the big fluctuation in the market. So futures will be having plenty of risk. So options will be the best time to trade now and still because of the election results, the premiums will be very high. If you can find some option which you can find it through some of the Greeks option Greeks, as well as if you get some good options, try to buy that. So if you get a good deal, it's no, we can have a fortune out of that. If the election goes in the right direction of what trades you have taken, it will be a very fortunate trade for everyone. So try to keep a keen watch over the market, and my suggestion is go for options trading. And even I'm waiting for the results. So yeah, my projection, or I can say from looking around the election polls, this time they have said the opposition has an upper hand. But last time it was the same picture. They said Hillary is going to come, but in an opposite way, Mr. Donald Trump was elected as the US president. So we don't know. We can expect the same thing too, because he has already posted a tweet that if I am not elected again, you will face a huge financial share market crash. So it's like a warning, because he knows what is going on and what is the financial status of the US. So it can also be a huge crash if he doesn't get elected again. So we'll just wait and watch what is going to happen in the market. So from my technical point of view, if the market closes below the double tops neckline, we can expect a huge fall in the market. So try to trade according to that using options. So I hope this video helps you. So thank you very much for joining. Take care.